In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grille on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Remove the 4 clips on top of the trim. I'm going to use a clip pliers. My last clip is a Phillips head. Remove all the clips, remove the trim piece, remove the 10mm bolts on top. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to remove the clips, pull straight up. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up on the tabs in the back. In the bottom in the middle, you'll find 2 black tabs. Pick up on these tabs and push straight forward. These are the tabs. Remove the grille. We're going to remove the emblem from the grille. Since this is an old grille and it's a plastic emblem, we're going to break these tabs and then pull our emblem out. If we try to just push the emblem out, we have a greater chance of breaking these tabs and then not being able to install it in the new one. So you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just pry up on these. Try and get them all the way out of the way. If they snap, it's okay. With the tabs pulled back, pull forward on the emblem and remove it from the grille. Install the emblem into the new grille. Line the grille up on these bottom tabs on the bumper. Push it into place. Make sure that those bottom clips are latched. Hinge it down on top. Install the 10mm bolts. Install the clips into the bottom. Install the trim on top. It'll slide into the front grille. Install the top clips. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.